there, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. You caught me reading Social Media Pie. Can you believe that? Hey, you're probably watching this video because you're debating about whether or not you want to buy this book, right? And my guess is you probably flipped it over to the back, right? And you read a little bit about the background of the book and you're trying to figure out, is this book really going to help me to enjoy a bigger slice of LinkedIn? Well, yes, it is. Hi, my name's Brenda Meller. I wrote Social Media Pie particularly for you because I really want to help you unlock the power of LinkedIn. And I put together this book really to be an informative guide, a strategy guide, if you will, on how to use LinkedIn. But I also wanted you to have some fun along the way. And you probably picked up this book and you're like, is that actually a piece of pie on the cover? Yes, it is, in fact, a slice of apple pie. Now, I love pie, and I actually weave in my love of pie throughout the book. There's a lot of analogies that you can draw to the shape of a pie, the fillings of a pie, and marketing analogies, and specifically how we are using LinkedIn. So when you jump into this book, you're going to notice right off the bat, it's different than any other business book that's out there because it's going to be fun, it's going to be entertaining, but you're also going to gain a lot of great knowledge about LinkedIn along the way. Now, if you do buy this book, you're going to learn some different techniques in really 3 different areas. 1, how to optimize your profile so that you're attracting more of the right people to read more about you and your organization. 2, you're going to learn invitation and messaging strategy and how to really connect with people on a better level on LinkedIn to get some of those conversations started. And 3, you're going to learn about the power of network engagement on LinkedIn. And this is really the essence of Social Media Pie. Building up social media karma, developing relationships on the platform, and that will come back to you just like karma, right? Now, you may be wondering about this book, and is this book really going to help you with LinkedIn because you haven't figured it out yet, right? Now, maybe you've been on the platform for years, maybe you're new to the platform, but whatever it is, you can't figure out how to use it the most effectively. You're hearing other people getting results and getting success and you can't figure it out for yourself. I want to help you out with this. So I've been using the platform for many years as a marketer. I really understand target audiences and how they are using LinkedIn. And my goal is to make sure that more of the right people are finding you on LinkedIn, you're getting more of the right conversations started, and that this book, I want it really to help you to achieve your personal and your business goals. So Social Media Pie, pick it up today. Click the link below to purchase the book. And if you have already bought the book, I would love it if you go on Amazon and give me a review. Thanks again. This is Brenda Meller, and I look forward to connecting with you on LinkedIn. Take care. What are you doing? The video is over. That's it. Go buy the book. You're going to like it. Stop debating about it. Just go and click that link right now.